Go.
Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'll be opening two Prism Monopoly blaster boxes with just a little Donruss pack and a Prism hanger box. So hopefully we can pull some Wembys and some big cards. First I'm gonna start off with this Donruss. Just bought this at the store. Hopefully we can get an auto. So we got some base to start off with. Here's some base and Nick Smith and then a Jokic. So probably the worst pack ever, but now we're gonna open up Prism Monopoly. Hoping for some better pulls. Maybe a purple Wemby would be nice. First time opening up Prism Monopoly this year. Hopefully we get some bangers. Yeah. Maybe a color blast. So we get 6 packs. Let's get ripping. Okay. We got Fox, Bam, Darius Garland, and Rudy Gobert. So terrible pack there, but that's why we have six packs. Haven't been posting much because I haven't been home. I'm at my dad's right now, so it's a different setup right now. But off the front, we got a nice Scoot Henderson rookie, Jimmy Butler, Evan Mobley, and Cat. So Scoot's got to be our best pull right now. So yeah. Hopefully we can pull a Victor right here. I think you get, I think you get 3 purples. So we got Noah Clowney, Quickly, Murray, and I'm in Thompson. So that's a nice rookie from this class. So not a bad pack. Halfway done. These packs are hard to open. There we go. So we got Spencer Dinwiddie, Jalen Brunson, and Joel Embiid, and a Pascal Siakam. Okay, 2 more packs. Come on. Oh my. These packs were expensive. So we got Luka, Tyrese Halliburton, OG, and Paul George. Okay, that was bad, but that's why I have one more blaster. Okay, so I think we don't get a purple. Okay, Jordan Poole, another Amen, so not bad. Siakam and Russell Westbrook. Okay, so that wasn't that good. Hopefully we can get some better pulls off of this. So let me get this open. They had a lot of Prism Monopoly at Target, the one that I went to. So I just picked up 2. I mean, they're expensive, 30 bucks a pop, and 24 cards. So $1, roughly over $1 a card. So hopefully we can get a big pull here. Okay, let's get a rookie. Okay, we got Evan Mobley, Cat, Spencer Dinwiddie, and Shea. Nice. Shea for the Thunder. Next pack. Okay, Desmond Bane, Donovan Mitchell, Anthony Edwards, and a Kobe Buffkin on the purple wave. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. Okay, 4 packs left. I haven't pulled anything like crazy, but oh, I have no clue what this is, but I know it's a good insert. Got Jalen Brunson, Joel Embiid. Oh, come on. Is it a... Okay. It's upside down. from the 76ers. Can I get Maxey? Okay, James Harden. I have no clue what this is, but okay, this is number 200. So a James Harden money shimmer, I'm probably not too sure. So halfway done. Okay, not a bad pull there. I mean, could have been better. Okay, we got Mikal Bridges, Jason Tatum, Klay Thompson, and Keontae George. Okay, final 2 packs. Come on. Give us a big one. Okay, and Amen Thompson, Siakam again, Russell Westbrook, and Simmons again. Wow. Okay, last pack. Let's go. Going out on all base. Okay. Jabari Smith. Oh, nice. Victor. We'll take a Victor any day. Nice. Kawhi and Dame. Okay. Victor. Wemby. Okay. Nice. Now we're on Prism hanger box. Oh my. I have no clue how to open this, but I might just ruin the box. I don't have my cutting knife with me. It's at the other house, so kind of ruined the box, but whatever. So I've never opened this. I know you get orange ice prisms, so hopefully we can get some good stuff. Okay, yep, orange ice. Okay, got Russell Westbrook, John Morant, John Collins, Aaron Gordon. We got a Josh Giddey, green, Jalen Hood-Schifino, Prosper, Shea. We got a Nugget on the orange ice, Caldwell Pope, Shaq Silver, Kamara on the orange ice, rookie. Jaime Jaquez on the variation, nice. Kevin Knox, orange ice, CJ McCollum, Isaiah Wong, Shaden Sharp, Amari Bailey. Yep, and just base. Okay. I mean, that Jaime is a pretty nice one, but let's see. I'll show you all of our hits or pulls from this video. Okay, recap. So we got Jaime Jaquez on the variation, Victor Wembanyama Monopoly rookie, Amen Thompson base rookie, Keontae George rookie, James Harden money shimmer, I'm pretty sure, number 200, so not a bad pull. Kobe Buffkin rookie, purple wave, Shea purple wave, Amen Thompson again rookie, and then Amen Thompson on the purple wave, and Scoot Henderson on the base rookie. Okay, so not a bad pack. I'm gonna show you. So I was ripping a Prism value pack, $15, and this is what I pulled out of just one pack. The Victor Wembanyama red, white, and blue Prism rookie, and just a base Wemby. So I mean, money back right there. Some good pulls, and we're still on the Victor train, pulling another Victor in this video. So I mean, if you want more videos like this, leave a sub and a like, and we'll get back with you as soon as possible. Thanks.